Hello guys and welcome to Big Data Brain. And in today's video, we will be talking about AI agents and why I think it is such a big deal. We will keep it simple and just talk about some pros and cons. Nothing too technical today. I want to keep the video super short and simple. Without wasting any time, let us jump straight into it. AI agents, what the hell are they? An AI agent is an autonomous system that perceives its environment, reasons about a goal, and takes action to achieve that goal, often using tools or external data. Basically, it's like a human, but as an AI agent. Some of these agents can perform various tasks, such as booking flights, setting up meetings, as well as coding assistance. The only difference between an agent and the traditional LLM is that the agent can actually perform the task by assigning it APIs, data, MCP servers, as well as workflows. These agents save teams, developers and engineers a lot of time when designing a piece of software. It is relatively easy to use and does not require a lot of skill to use. But in order to master prompting, you will need to study prompt engineering, which is a whole new topic on its own. One great example of an AI agent would be Cursor. It is basically like VS Code, but with AI agents integrated into it. While these agents are really good at solving tasks, certain tasks demand a lot more computation power and complex thinking. When a model fails to reason correctly, it begins to hallucinate and generate invalid responses and performs the task poorly. This is not to say that these agents cannot make mistakes, is that when they do make a mistake, it can be very unpredictable. A mistake could be anything like a spelling mistake, or rewriting your entire code all over, or forgetting the imports at the top of file. The range of errors can vary, but hallucinations are one of the top issues right now. Also, another issue is security. The agent can accidentally leak your data or perform an unauthorized task without your permission. Without proper guardrails, these agents can seriously mess things up for you. So it's always a good idea to ensure you do not give it tasks that require a high level of precision. An example of this would be giving the agent user logins on banking apps. In general, automation is a bad idea, especially if it requires automating super tedious tasks. If it involves boring, repetitive work, then that would be a good use case. After all, in the Matrix movie, the bad guys are agents, and here we are a few years later, giving all our access keys and passwords to an AI agent. That is just crazy. Anyways, that was just a joke. Now let us move over to frameworks used to build these agents. We have LangGraph and LangChain. Both help with flow direction and determining what steps need to be taken after a response is received, how to format it, how to redirect the task, and a lot more. You can think of both of them as valves in a pipe. They essentially control prompt flow. LangChain and LangGraph are complementary frameworks from the same ecosystem. Think of LangChain as your modular toolbox for quickly building with LLMs, and LangGraph as your powerful engine for creating complex, state-aware AI workflows. Both are very good, but one is for building agents and AI tools at scale. For a simple chatbot with basic RAG, you would use LangChain. For a complex AI agent, such as a coding agent, LangGraph would be most appropriate. The variety of things you can do with both tools is limitless. Anything that you can think of, it can be built. You just need to find the time and resources to build it. I am not the person to follow trends or jump straight to hype, especially for AI-related tools. I am a firm believer in sticking to the basics, as that is where the real gold is found. Every day, more and more agents are being built, and it is really super tough to keep up with all of them. New framework, new tools, more hype, and a lot of fluff. Seriously, you will not sleep at night if you try to learn all these frameworks. There is just way too many. Okay, everyone, that will be it for this video. A nice, small, and simple video. I will be back with a part 2 for this video at some later stage. Do not forget to like and subscribe if you found this video helpful. It would go a long way. One more thing, don't forget to check out my other social links too. Goodbye and see you guys in the next one.